Uh, yes, Catherine, I'm back.
Hi. I just realised I've got to sign back in to access my... So just while we were talking about SharePoint, so if I wanted to publish an app that can be accessed via SharePoint, does that work in the same manner in which I have to then have a corresponding account with Boss, upload it to that, and then anyone who accesses it has to have a Power Apps subscription as well?
Correct. That's correct. See, all of these things, right? Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, all of them are part of the same group of Power Platforms, right? So they will work very similar to each other, right? You will see similar things like here you see flows, right? Flows are also there in Power Apps, right? So that kind of thing. So it would have the same structure as Power BI.
So for example, so I showed you before, I've got this Canvas daily sort of activities log, which again, the only way around that I thought before was just letting people use my login. Because I know that BI is a bit more of a generic platform than Power Apps.
Right.
How would that work in the same way? Because would I have to create a separate Boss Energy Power Apps account?
Exactly. You need a Boss Energy account. So I think since you already have the Boss Energy account, right? You can easily like Power Apps should be automatically activated there, right? The kind of apps that you're using, I don't think you need a paid version for that. But we can see, right, how that would work out. So maybe you can simultaneously log in into Power Apps. So and you can go there directly from Power BI, right? So you have this groundwater Power BI report open, right?
Yep.
So you see the 9 dots at the top left, like where the name is. Yeah, click on that. Expand on the click on the arrow. It will show you all the apps that you have, and just click on all apps. So in the apps, you have the all apps option, right? So you see Power Apps here. Just click on that. This is not. Is this Boss Energy or is this?
No. So.
Oh, so you need to sign out of it first, right?
Yep. Oops.
Yeah, sign out. No, you have signed out of the other account.
I
so
signed
it was
out
asking, you signed out about Boss Energy. You also need to sign out of Rare Consulting. You can do this in the other window, right? You already have it open in the other Edge window.
Yep.
Right, sign out of from here.
And then go back in.
So just minimize this window.
Yep. Here, this one.
No, minimize the edge, right?
Yep.
And you see the Power Apps here, right? You can sign out from here.
Okay, I understand. Yep. Yep.
Right. And close this and like sign in again, right? In Power Apps.
That would be a good day.
What time is it right now at your end?
It's 4:00 in the afternoon.
Okay.
And yourself, what time is it?
It's 12.
12.
In the afternoon, yeah. So
midday.
4 hours. Yeah, midday.
Yep.
So what are your work timings normally?
Me, well, because I work for myself, it varies. Like sometimes it's 6 to 6 or 6 to 12.
Okay.
You know what it's like. I'm sure you're in the same position. You sort of work when you have to.
Right. So are you also in consulting?
Yeah, I work for myself.
Okay.
And I just contract to companies, sort of do a lot of work in-house for them, but also some sort of minor stuff. But it's quite a specialised field here in Australia, so it works reasonably well.
You are expert in energy and like the energy sector.
Mainly the uranium sector, but my business partner does the sort of ESG sustainability side of things.
Right.
Whereas I mainly do sort of uranium mining stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so you are into the mining aspect and not the plant itself.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Like Australia is rich in all these resources, right?
Yes.
It's even coal and all kind of rare earth minerals. So yeah, good sector to be in if you are in Australia.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's incredibly different from the different states to state. In South Australia where I am, it's pretty small in comparison, but we've got a lot of uranium here, and that's in the sector that I predominantly work in. So okay.
Yeah. So you are into Power BI, right? And have you accessed Power Apps?
I thought I logged into Power Apps, but obviously not. So I'll just go back out.
Right. Maybe go to the 3 dots.
Yep.
Go to the 9 dots. Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
And try it from there.
Back to where we were before.
Oh, you don't have Power Apps access maybe for this, which is strange because you have Power Automate, right? But can you click on all apps? Maybe because that's not what we are doing.
So I mean Power Apps now?
No. Maybe go back to. Is it like refreshing or something?
No.
Okay, you are into Boss Energy now. See.
Yes, Boss Energy in Power Apps.
Right. Yep. In Power Apps, right? And we were trying to embed the Power App within SharePoint, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any app within this?
No, I haven't. I've only got it in my own company's structure, the same way as
so you need to export it from there and import it here, right?
Yes.
So yeah, we will try that now.
Right, I'll go back out to
your own account. Yes.
Yep. So it's this one here. So I just open it.
Yes.
I think I should just open a new window because it's going to have trouble.
Yeah, that's correct.
So that was Boss. Go in here. So I might even go into a different one. So what do I want to go to Power Apps? And sort of what is the main industry that you predominantly do most of your work in?
Sorry?
What is the main sort of industries that you mainly provide assistance to?
So I have worked with right. So I have worked with a lot of industries, right, from e-commerce. So before getting into consulting full time, I was working with AXA. AXA is an insurance company. I'm not sure you have heard about it, right? It's a French insurance company, and I worked there for 10 years. But I was in the same data analytics and data engineering, and I was managing a team there. And then last December, I quit and I moved full time into consulting, and I have been consulting for the last 10 years as well, like on the side, and I have worked with clients from all across all the 6 continents. I'm saying not Antarctica obviously, but but yes, I have worked into power sector. Right, we did a big project for power sector into transmission lines, substations, then e-commerce. Right now I'm working with a drug trial company, right, which is into drug testing and trials. Then we are also working with a pipeline company, a gas pipeline company that has just come up, and then a Swiss company which is into providing IT maintenance services, right? So Yeah, a lot of stuff is
A
going
lot
on
of
right now. But yeah, it's good. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of. I also have a team of 6 or 7 analysts who work with
Okay.
me on these
Okay.
projects, so I can't
Okay.
handle everything on my
Yes.
own,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
it's
Oh,
important that
that's
way.
really good. That's really
Yeah,
good.
right.
All right.
So yeah, so moving to this, we have. So which one do you want
So this one
to
here.
embed? Okay, so
Yeah.
click on the report. Yeah, edit. Go into the edit mode.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay. Do you see file here? No. Okay. Because we want to save this app, like save as a
Mm.
package. So where you will have the save options.
Yeah. It's unless it
Right. So
requires some sort of change.
see the save. There is a drop. There is down arrow just next to that. Click on that.
Save as. Yep.
Save
Yep.
as. Yeah. Save as. Okay. But it will save within the environment, right? That's
Mm-hmm.
not what we want.
Mm-hmm.
Uh. Okay. Do one thing. Come out. Like
Close it or.
come back to the environment. Yeah. Come back.
Mm-hmm.
Click on back. Right. Just click on the 3 dots. Do you have an option to? So just edit. No. There used to be an option. I think they have changed the layout now. Where what you can do is so from there used to be a file menu and you could save it as a package and export it, right? Just trying to find out where we can do that now. Let me see. So you have home, create, learn, apps. Click on apps. Like in the left side, yeah. Click on apps. Okay, so you have the Canvas app, daily ENR report, right? Click on more commands. Okay, what do you
Export
have here?
package.
Export package. Exactly. They have changed this to export package. Name it anything. Yeah, and just export. Right. So your package is downloading. Okay.
Yep. And then I go out to the Boss Energy one.
Yes. Go to the Boss Energy one.
Yep.
Okay.
Go to
Now,
apps.
yeah, go to apps.
Import.
Right. Import. Upload.
Okay. Oh, that's fantastic. Downloads.
Open. Yeah.
Have you built anything in safety management?
Safety management, as in the
really
the industry.
Yeah, really like simplistic stuff. Like the company I work for, they need. And again, it's a pretty simple framework where there's apps where you report an incident, you report a hazard, and then there's obviously the back end that analyzes all that information.
Right.
Like inspection, like field inspection checklists, that sort of thing.
Yeah. I haven't done anything like that, but I think that should not be a issue, right? Like it can be done. So if you think that maybe like you want to take it up, or how do you want to do that?
Yeah, well, look, I think I'll have a chat with my client, because I think it would be something that would be really useful for them, because it's very expensive for them to purchase a system. Whereas they can develop something utilizing these tools. Well, you can, or your team, to get them all what they want without the the significant cost, because it's a very simple, very simple in terms of the information they need to obtain and report on.
Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. So yeah, just have a chat and let me know.
Sure.
We can discuss that further. Click on the name. Click on the name. Daily ENR report. Okay, the package is
Click on update.
Import
or?
setup. Yeah, update. Click on update. The package. Yeah, create as new. Right. Save. Import. Is it already like click on apps? Do we see
Yeah,
this
it's
now?
there
Okay,
we go.
it's done. Doing, yeah, it's done.
Yep.
Right. Now click on apps again.
Amazing. Add to Teams?
No, you want to add this to SharePoint, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this will add it to a Teams group, not to SharePoint, right? But first we need to check if it looks or feels right, because we might have to reconnect it somehow, right? So extend your trial. Yeah, click on that. Not sure why that. Okay, just click on extend your trial again. Yeah.
It's a very short 30 days, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's taking some time to load the information. But just so you know, what we need to do is, so you saw the publish to Teams option, right? So same way there is the publish to SharePoint option, which we can use. How, is it a very heavy app that you have imported? Because normally it doesn't take so long.
Okay. Because the company, no, it's tiny. It's tiny. I think it's just stuck. Should I just refresh screen, or is that going to stuff it?
You can.
I think there's something wrong because there's hardly any data in it at all.
I think there is a lag in when I'm talking and when you're hearing it.
It's not happy. That's giving things. Yeah.
Yeah, you can click on the refresh.
Anyway, I think I've used enough of your time for this session.
Okay.
But I really, really appreciate all your guidance and help. I'm not sure what your availability is like, whether or not you've got time tomorrow, or you want to leave it for a few days. What's your availability
like? Let me quickly check. Yeah, let me check it. So for tomorrow, yes, maybe for tomorrow, if we can do a 1 hour.
1 hour, that sounds perfect. Yep. Okay.
So the same time, I will again send you the invite, right? And and then we will set up for the subsequent sessions.
No, thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Yeah, thanks, Catherine.
No, thank you. I appreciate it. All right, see you later.
Welcome. Yeah, see you.
Bye. Bye.